Hi, I'm Aggie. Welcome to my Period 7 Algebra 1 project. Sam has a total of 58 DVDs and CDs. If the number of CDs is 2 more than 3 times the number of DVDs, how many CDs does he have? First step is I put the CDs and DVDs into two variables, C and D. And C plus D equals 58, which is the total, which is what it says in the question. So step number 1, you have to figure out what D is. 58 minus C equals D. And your next step is you put it into an equation. So C equals 3D plus 2 because 3 times D plus 2, which is what it states in the question, you'd have to plug in 58 minus C for D. So 3 times 58 minus C plus 2, you distribute, you multiply 3 times 58, which is 174 minus 3C plus 2. You add 174 plus 2, which is 176. Step number 4. C equals 174 plus 2 minus 3C. In other words, C equals 176 minus 3C. You do the inverse of negative 3C, which is positive 3C. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. 3C plus C is 4C. 4C equals 176. You have to cross out the 4 in front of C. So you divide 4 by 4C. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. 176 divided by 4 is 44. So C equals 44. To check my work, D plus C equals 58, which is what it states in the question. D plus 44, I plugged in 44 for C because that's the end result we got, which equals 58. 58 minus 44 is 14. 14 plus 44 is in fact 58. Now to make sure that is 2 more than 3 times the number of DVDs, I did 14 times 3, which when I multiplied it, I got 42. 42 plus 2, which is 2 more than 3 times the number, I got 44. And if you want to go deep in this equation, you can put them into variables. You separate them, so you could put it in a linear equation. So y equals mx plus b, the x, which would represent the x-axis, the b, which would represent the y. So you can put that into like a little graph. So D and C. So when you plug in 0 for D, so C would equal 3 times 0 plus 2, you get 2. When you plug in D for 1, you get 5. When you plug in D for 2, you get 8. And if you went all the way down to 14, you'd get 44, which makes this problem correct. Thanks for watching.